Save prohibited to prevent data loss due to unsaved related object. I need to pass a primary key from a newly created model form to another form field in the same view, but I get an error. Any suggestions to make this work? It looks like in the past, this would be the answer. From the documentation, this is what is happening in the newer Django version is greater than 1.8.3. P3 equals place, name equals demon dogs, address equals 944W, Fullerton, restaurant.objects.create, place equals P3, serves underscore hot underscore dogs equals true, serves underscore pizza equals false, traceback, most recent call last. Value error, save, prohibited to prevent data loss due to unsaved related object, place. This is how I am getting my PK from the view.
It is simple.
Answered, the problem arose from Django not saving empty or unchanged forms. This led to null fields on those unsaved forms. Problem was fixed by allowing null fields on foreign keys, as a matter of fact, all fields. That way, empty or unchanged forms did not return any errors on save. FYI, refer to @Wollendran answer.
This was introduced in Django 1.8. Previously you could assign not saved instance to one-to-one relation, and in case of fail it was silently skipped. Starting from Django 1.8 you will get error message in this case. Check a documentation of Django 1.7, 1.8 upgrade. It says, assigning unsaved objects to a foreign key, generic foreign key, and one item field now raises a value error. If you are interested in more details, you can check save method in django.db.models.base, some part of it. Last 5 rows are where this error is raised. Basically your related obj which is not saved will have obj.pk equals none, and value error will be raised.
I just removed my model.save, and the error went away. This only works if you are saving it when there are no changes. Otherwise you should save it one time, if you changed something in the query set. An example. Views.py
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.